Please introduce yourself.
My name is Regina Castro Bolanadi. I am 39 years old. I am married with two sons, 17 years old and 1 year old.
Okay, so do you have any working experience?
Yes, sir and madam. I work domestic helper in one family. I took care one newborn baby. I do cleaning and ironing, laundering, cooking, marketing, and babysitting for 2 years.
Right, so who will take care of your children when you work abroad?
My sister and my parents.
Okay. So are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay, so what will you do if the baby cries?
If the baby is crying, either hungry or diaper is dirty or maybe is sick, I will inform my employer immediately.
Right, so what will you do if the children became naughty and not listening to you?
If the children become naughty, I will encourage them by playing or sing a song with them.
Okay, so are you willing to share a room with kids or with the newborn baby?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay, so can you please sing a nursery song?
There's the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, thank you for that. So, is it okay with you if your leave is on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir, madam.
Is it okay with you if your leave is compensated by your employer instead of leave?
Yes, sir, madam.
Are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer?
I am honest, helpful, and responsible person. I'm willing to learn and will follow all your instructions. I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I will treat your family as my own family. Thank you.